Hey, how's it going guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toaster Bros, and today we're putting together a $750 gaming PC, and it's sponsored by Antec with this new 505 case.
And he just made a loud noise with that 505 case. He just punched it right there. That's the DP505 in white. Comes with some RGB, and it has the staple Antec design where you have some good airflow and pretty good aesthetics for the money. Big shout out again to Antec for sponsoring today's video. They like to sponsor our build guides here on the channel and showcase their awesome cases that you can pick up for pretty good prices. And this one is no different. It's a pretty good value case. We'll talk about more here in a second. But yeah, $750 PC. We have some used market value right here with the GPU. And we also have a CPU that is one we've used a lot recently, the Ryzen 5 5600, because of the value for money. We shall waste any more time and talk about those parts.
So for the CPU, we have the Ryzen 5 5600, 6-core, 12-thread. And I like the CPU because it has Gen 4 support out of the box. It has a decent upgrade path because you kind of have to go with the B550 or X570. And it's pretty cheap right now. They've kind of dropped pretty low. I mean, sometimes around $100 even. And obviously 6-core, 12-thread versus like the i3 12100 4-core 8-thread. Now for the motherboard, we have this ASRock B550 Pro 4. I think I put the Pro in the wrong spot, but this is a full-size board because this is a full-size case, full ATX. It'd look really goofy doing a micro ATX. We've made that mistake many times, so we were really looking out for that. But yeah, full-size boards, right? Ryzen 5000 ready. Probably is gonna have quite the upgrade path, like 4 RAM slots and everything. Actually has Windows 11 ready on it. So,
I haven't seen that in a while.
You know, yeah, get the TPM. It looks like it's a pretty sweet board too. Actually have some RGB, some loose parts flying around. We'll find out what those are in a minute. Now for the RAM, we have this XPG D60G. This is 8 gigs by 2, so it's 16 total, 3600 megahertz, because we can take advantage of high speed since we have this nice Ryzen CPU and a very nice motherboard. You can even go higher if you want to, but honestly at that point you might as well go DDR5. And now inside of this, you guys are gonna see the cutest little case. Has a nice little metal tin case in it, but this is a Sabrent Rocket Gen 4 NVMe SSD, 1 terabyte. They've been making these for a long time. I remember when Sabrent came out, they were definitely like a kind of early on pioneer of Gen 4. So yeah, we really like these drives and they're very well priced.
What we have right here is a 5700 XT. A little dusty, gonna need a little bit of cleaning, but it is a used car we pick up on eBay for around 160 bucks. Now he's zooming in on that dust, look at that dust. But the main reason we went 5700 XT is we're kind of in a weird period right now where stuff is out of stock on Amazon and Newegg just because we're trying to catch up with like the shipping demands of the holiday season. So 6600s are kind of hard to find. I would probably go that route if you're building this now, but we also wanted to try something a little bit different. 5700 XT is very similar in terms of performance, a little bit older, but you can find them for really good prices. And if you do want to go to AliExpress as well, they do have some like third-party companies that have remade these cards that you can get for about 150 bucks. So if you want to go that route, you can, but again, buyer beware. Good card, 1080p, 4040p gaming, excited to use it. And now for the power supply, we have the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 700 watt power supply. That 5700 XT does pull a little bit of power, definitely pulls more power than like a 6600. So you want to make sure you have enough wattage here. 700 watts, more than enough, 80 plus gold. And of course, we got to get some Asiahorse sleeve cables. I believe I got white. I did. I got white because it's going to match this case nice. We got the DP505 over here with the all white design, white RGB fans up front, and a very unique design. I know Antec really goes for the same like frame design, but just kind of changing up the actual mesh front every time with their cases. And this one is no different. It looks pretty cool. Got some USB 3, got everything you need, USB-C, so it is modern and ready to go. Tempered glass, a very, very big case overall, so you can, well, have a lot of room for cable management and all that sort of fun stuff. So yeah, really awesome case. Very excited to build in it, and yeah, let's just get to it.
Alright guys, we're doing Overwatch 2.0 to start out on our nice and cheap 750, and we're running a high, medium, ultra, but it's actually just on ultra quality. 1440p, and we have a frame rate max of 300 right now. Looks like that's all right. We're not getting over that. Ah!
Oh, you just got.
Dude, how did you
just got Reinhardt.
You're gonna die now, boy. So we got the charges. Oh! Yeah! Look at me, I got out of it. Please don't kill all my friends. Oh, he wants me to defend with him. getting some pretty good latencies though. Right, I didn't mean to suck you. Oh, wall. Reinhardt, we are way too deep in here, my friend. I should not be up here with you. Ow. Okay, that was a good shot, Reinhardt. I don't even think he's ever gonna be able to break it down at this rate.
Let's break it.
Oh
yeah.
my god. Do not let this Reinhardt get away. Yeah.
He's done for.
Oh, dude, we're in a bad spot, Reinhardt.
Sorry, Reinhardt.
Oh, dude, let's go. That was a good old Yoshi, man. I called him Yoshi because I couldn't think of his name. Lucio. Freako. Ah! Oh, God. No. I'm slow.
Here they come.
Let's get some picks. Oh, Ryan, I don't know if that was the move. Yes, die. Yes.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. All right, that was a low push.
Oh, there's so much going on.
That's a big old, oh no, and a Bastional. Oh.
Maybe.
McCree, please. Oh.
We gotta do it. Wow, look at that. There's a lot of chaos going there.
Dude, 26K healing though.
That's a lot of
healing.
Yeah, so yeah, that was definitely a stress test. You know, we did below 100 in that crazy scene going on there, but pretty good. Let's move on to the next game. All right, guys, we are in Warzone, and these are the graphics. We're on the balanced preset, pretty much a mixture of all over the place, honestly, but balance is what we normally run just for the most optimal performance, and we are at 1440p still, and yeah, getting good FPS numbers right now. The balance preset does drop the render scale down a little bit, so do keep that in mind, but yeah, I mean, everything is looking pretty solid still. Oh, there's music. Ah!
Oh, ooh, that was good.
Oh, you shut your door, huh? I hear him healing.
Oh, right into another guy. Oh, God.
Oh!
You don't even get like time to react. It's just a pump in your face and you're done. Oh. Oh.
Push me, please.
He threw a flash. Oh my God! So I guess he's up top probably.
Oh, I hear him. That was a bot, I think. Or was that a root? No, that was a guy.
Yeah.
What?
He did. Whoa! Oh, he's straight up.
Reload. Okay.
Oh.
Got 3 bullets. Yeah. Got some music going on right now. This is all copyright. Oh!
Yeah.
What is this? Oh!
Oh.
What was that?
Dude, he dove and got dome beast.
But yeah, that's Warzone. Another long run. That one was 19 minutes, but we placed 31st. That's way better than I've done before. But yeah, what we're gonna do, run some builds and benchmarks, and then ride this video.
Alright guys, we just got done benchmarking the $750 Antec sponsored gaming PC, and it performed really well. We did a great job with that 5700 XT, if I do say so myself, because we were getting 2070 level performance for a big fraction of the price, and it was a really good pairing, AMD to AMD, and we were getting really good 100 plus FPS in pretty much everything we played.
Yeah, and it's great for 1440p, which is pretty crazy. It's starting to become much easier to get into 1440p gaming than it used to be, so at under $1,000, I think it's a pretty good buy. The only thing, and I know you all probably noticed, is that CPU cooler with the 5600. We were getting it to like 82, 83 degrees Celsius, which is a little bit warm, but is not too bad because it is trying to maximize as much clock speed as it actually can, and it's okay at running at that temperature. So if that's a little bit too hot for your taste, you might want to get a tower cooler cooler or go AIO if you want to, but I think for the budget, you do have a lot of wiggle room there. Maybe spend an extra 50 bucks, go to $800 and get a cooler, and you'll be very happy with the performance. But if you want to build this PC, and also be sure to check out this DP505 case from Antec, check the links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links, they will help us out. Let us know what you think of this build guide, and let us know what other build guides you want to see here on the channel.
So as always, thanks to Antec, and also thanks for watching today's video. If you didn't already, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!
Now, if you guys didn't know, we actually have our own custom gaming PC company called PC Bros, and we are going to be selling this completed PC, but you can also pick from about 50 other options over there.
PCBros.tech, gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. And if you use our special, super secret, ultra secret discount code, ToastBros2 on checkout, you'll save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye. Don't tell anyone else. I'm only talking to you. Just you, nobody else.